Assalamu alaikum, my students. How are you today? Today we will start with the chapter 27, division and fractions of a quantity, book 1. Then, first topic we will talk about how to calculate fraction or decimal of a quantity. Let's take one example to understand how to do it. Before we take our example, you must know your fractions. Some examples of fractions like 1 over 2 or half, like 3 over 4, like 5 over 7. These some examples for fractions. Decimals, like that. Maybe 0.3, 0.12, 1.5. Sometimes our fraction can be like this, 8 over 3, if it's proper or improper. We know that before. Then, about our example, work out a three over 5 of 20. How to calculate it? You can make it in two methods. First, you will take 3 over 5, and instead of the word of, you will put multiply 20. And you can simplify 5 and 20. Then if you divide 20 by 5, it will be what? 4. Then your answer will be 3 times 4. The result will be what? Okay. Another method, but I prefer this method. Another method, now another method. If you want to calculate 3 over 5 of 20, how? You will take 20 divided by 5. It will be what? Yes, 20 divided by 5. You know that it will be what? 4. Then you will take your answer here, it will be what? 4 times your numerator. It will be 12, the same answer. You can solve it like this, you can solve it like this method. You are free. B, %30 of 60. How to get 30% of 60? First, you must convert 30% into fraction. Then, if you write 30%, it will be 30 over what? No, 100. Very good. That will be 30 over 100 times what? 60. Then now you can calculate it. You will cancel 0 with 0, and the second 0 will go here. Then our answer will be like that, equals what? Only 3 times what? 6. What is the final result? 18. Now we understand. C. About if you say 1 and 3 over 4 of 100 kilogram. First, you must convert 1 and 3 over 4 from mixed into fraction. It will be how? You will put 4 down. And how can we get numerator? Multiply, then plus. Multiply 4 by 1. Then the result will be plus 3. Then let's do it. Good. Then it will be what? 4 times 1 plus what? Plus 3. It will be 7 over what? 4. Over 4. Then 3 over 4 change it into 7 over 4 times what? 100 kilogram. Then if you want to simplify, you must simplify 100 by 4. It will be what? 100 divided by 4. Very good, Ahmed. MashaAllah, 25. Then now it will be 7 times what? 25. Can we multiply it? It will be the same statement. Kilogram equals is 175 kilogram. You understand now? You must know about how to convert from percentage into fraction, from mix it into fraction. It's very important. Okay? Meet yourself, Mubarak, please.
Me, Mr.
Hi, Mubarak. Meet yourself.
Okay.
Then this is the beginning of our lesson. It's not difficult. It's easy for you. I'll give you one example and we can solve together. Let's go to another page, D. If you say 17.5, maybe it's 7.5.
Okay.
Of 200. You have two ways. You can make it as improper fraction, or you can make it as decimal. Okay, then 7.5. If you want to make it as improper, you will multiply, then plus. Okay, then it will be what? 2 times 7 plus what? 1. Very good. What is down? The same denominator. Then it will be 15 over 2. Then change it into 15 over 2 multiplied by what? 200. Then you can simplify. We can cancel 2 with 200. It will be what? 100. Then our answer will be like that. Equals, yes, 15 times what? 100. It would be 1,500. Very good. Or we can solve it like this. 7.5 of 200.
Hi, Mr.
Hi, how are you? Please mute yourself and don't write anything on the whiteboard. Not good.
Hello, Mr.
Dad, don't write again on the whiteboard. Then now it will be, if you convert 7.5 into decimal, it will be what? 7.5. If you change it into decimal. 7 is 0.5. Very good. Multiplied by what? 200. Then if you multiply, okay, it will be 75. You can cancel point with 1 0. It will be 75 multiplied by what? 20. Then can you multiply 75 by 20? First, bring down what? 0. And 5 times 2, 10. 0 carry up, 1. 7 times 2, 14, and 1, the same answer. Okay, then choose which one is easy for you. Yes, write in the notebook. Let's take another one. %11 of 50. Okay, bring it. stop chatting out of our lesson, please, and write. Is 11% of 50. We will convert 11% into fraction. You will convert it into fraction. It will be what over what? 11 over 100. Then it will be 11 over 100 multiplied by what? 50. Correct? Yes. Now, if you simplify 50 by 100, here it will be 1. Here it will be what? No. Yes. 50 by 50, it will be 1. If you divide 100 by 50. Why? No. 100 divided by 50. 2? 2. Then the answer will be what? 11 over 2. You can let it like this. You can convert it into fraction. You can convert it into decimal. 11 over 2. If it will be mixed, it will be what? 2 down. 2 down. 5 and 1 over 2 or 5.5. Very good. F. About the next example. If you calculate 3/8 of 32. Then, first step, you will write your fraction again, 3/8, and replace off by the symbol, multiply, and put your number 32. Easy. Now we can simplify 32 by 8. It will be what? 4. Very good. Then our answer, it will be what? 3 multiply. 3 multiplied by what? By 4. It will be what? 12. Easy? Yes. Thank you so much. See you for the next lesson.